I'm feeling real sorry. Your glossy eyes don't need the sadness they have seen, but you're way too deep to swim back up again. But somehow I can't find the moment you said goodbye. Until Sunday, I'll be waiting for an answer. And I guess that yesterday's not good enough for you. You know that I hate this song. You know that I hate this song because it was written for you. This is becoming a problem. I'm hurting, it's unfair, but somehow your words, the way that I heard, are haunting me. You're under my skin. You're breaking in. You're breaking. The tasteless fights that filled our nights are starting to cave in. You're under my skin. You're breaking in. You're breaking. And if Sunday's what it takes to prove I have nothing else to lose, until Sunday I'll be waiting for an answer. And I guess that yesterday's not good enough for you. You know that I hate this song. You know that I hate this song because it was written for you.
Ayo! Lagi mo yan sa video.
Staring at the glass in front of me, is it half empty? If I
Ay, challenge ka na! Ano? Bilis na! Kukunin ko yung ano ko! Nakakatong naman! Talaga!
ruined all you've given me. I know I've been selfish, I know I've been foolish.
Pangit ang puta.
But look through that and you will see.
Sexy yun, oh. Ay, sexy.
Ako yan? Oo!
Ay, extra.
Ulit ko!
One by one, man. One by one.
Lulusot kami!
Oo, lulusot niya kayo.
Top team of the year.
Love team.
Horror movie to.
Gago ka!
Naghahabol po kami. Sabi,
Somehow managed to sweep you off of your feet, girl.
Tingnan ko lang doon bako promise. Bakit?
ano ba?
Nagkasabi na ba na?
Ha? Hindi ikaw to. Si Leia to eh, si Leia. Oo nga. Si Leia. How's my hair? Ang pangit.
Oh, isa ba? Ano? Play mo na, play mo na.
Naka-play na yan.
Oh.
Hi, hi. Say hi.
Ano? Pinanapan ako. Kailan?
Sige, bilis. Hi. Hi.
Tumihan.
Ano naman to? Ilong mo. Hi.